Hey guys, I hope everyone is doing really good. Today we have a video featuring Madam Glam, but before we get into the box, let's just remember that Madam Glam is vegan, cruelty-free, palm oil-free, 21-free formula, and HEMA-free. So this is the October collection. This is Moonlit Spell. The crisp fall air mingles with the enchanting glow of pumpkin spice and flickering candlelight, setting the stage for a season wrapped in mystery and glamour. So there are 4 creams and 4 cat eyes, so let's just go ahead and get these out of the box. Okay, so the first color we're going to take a look at is Ruby Thorns, and this is a cat eye. Oh, this is a really pretty ruby red. This is absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to swatch that one. And then the next one we're going to look at is Crimson Cloak. This is a gorgeous red. Look at how pretty that is. That is absolutely gorgeous. It has the round brush. The next one we're going to look at is Haunted Velvet. This looks like a beautiful purple cat eye. Look at how beautiful that is. That is absolutely gorgeous. So pretty. And then we are going to look at Moonlit Mauve. This looks so pretty. I love mauve. Look at how gorgeous this is. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely gorgeous. So pretty. So the next color we're going to look at is Enchanted Moss. This looks like a really pretty green. This is absolutely gorgeous. Look at this green. Look at how pretty this green is. This is beautiful. And then this one looks like it matches that one. It looks like a few of the colors kind of match each other. This one is Potion Dust. This is a cat eye. Ooh, this is really pretty. Look at that. That is gorgeous. That is so pretty. And then this is a beautiful orange. This is Pumpkin Ritual. Perfect for fall, perfect for winter, Halloween. This is absolutely gorgeous. Love this orange. And then the last one we're going to look at is Hocus Plum. That is such a cute name. And this is a beautiful purple. Again, cat eye, absolutely gorgeous. So let's go ahead and get into the swatches. Okay, so we are going to start with the cat eyes first. This is Haunted Velvet. This is an absolutely gorgeous purple. We're gonna do one coat normal, and then we're gonna go ahead and activate the particles. This is absolutely beautiful. This is a gorgeous purple. Look at how pretty that is. It is really pigmented, as a matter of fact. It is very nice. I love the consistency. Very smooth. The next one we're going to swatch is Potion Dust. This is that beautiful green. It's like a greeny gold. This is gorgeous. Look at how pretty that is. That is so pretty. That is absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to see it with the cat eye. That's gorgeous. So pretty. The next one we're going to swatch is Hocus Plum. Another beautiful purple. These purples, these are gorgeous. Look at that. That is so pretty. I am loving the purples in here. That is beautiful. Look at that. That is gorgeous. And then the last cat eye is Ruby Thorns. Oh, that's so pretty. This is a beautiful red. This is absolutely gorgeous. So pretty. Okay, so now we're going in with the second coat. This is Haunted Velvet, and this is when I'm going to activate the particles with the magnet. Oh yeah, you can see that shift. Okay, that is absolutely gorgeous. The next one is going to be Potion Dust. I can't wait to see this one. Look at that. That is so pretty. That is absolutely gorgeous. I just like playing with them. I'm still not really the greatest at cat eye. I still need to learn how to manipulate my magnet the right way. But I love cat eye. I'm just not the greatest at it, but there we go. One day I'm just going to sit down and I'm just going to mess with cat eye all day long because I just really need to try to get this down. It's not, I mean, it's easy to do. It's just I need to learn how to hold my magnet the right way or something, or use the right magnets. I don't know. I can get the effect. It's not that I can't get the effect. It's just like how some people can do that cool stuff, you know. I haven't done that yet. I can get the cat eye effect. I just can't get the little design that I want. See, like I can get the cat eye. See, there you go. There's a cat eye. It's, you know, well, wait a minute. Well, this is me losing my cat eye. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. This is totally me. This is like, what the heck did I just do? Okay, there's part of it. Okay, let's do this again. That's called Annette was talking and not paying attention to what she was doing. This is a beautiful purple though. Oh my gosh. Okay, there, see? There's the cat eye. I can achieve the cat eye. It's just the little designs that I have an issue with. I can't ever get my little design that I want. Well, like I said, I need to just play with a cat eye. I just need to take time one day and just play with cat eye. And it might be because I'm using the wrong magnet, because I've kind of switched back and forth between different magnets. I'm still learning. Like I said, I'm still learning, but I love cat eye. Absolutely love cat eye. I'm getting better at it. I mean, it just takes me longer than others. I need to just start using more cat eye once I get the hang of it. This red is so pretty. I think I need to just use a different magnet. I think that's what my deal is, but look at how gorgeous that is. That's so pretty. Okay, so we're going to cure those for a minute because we are happy with what those look like. Okay, so I just want to go ahead and I want to get these top coated. So as usual, I'm going to use the Madam Glams Soak Off No Wipe Top Coat. I absolutely love their top coat. I use their top coat all the time. Absolutely love their top coat. See, look how pretty that is. That is absolutely gorgeous. This one reminds me of like like if you're trying to do like a dragon eye or you know, something like that. I mean, you know, literally cat eye, you know, because it does look like cat eye, but or a cat's eye. But I'm just saying, you know, like the dragons and stuff like that too, or reptiles. That would be so cool. This, I am loving this Hocus Plum. This is so pretty. Look at that. I love that. I really do like this. I love the purples in this. So pretty. So, so pretty. So for that, I think that maybe that one and this one is my favorite out of the cat eyes in this group. I'm thinking so far. I don't know. I'll have to see. Okay, so we're going to cure these for a minute. Okay, so these are the 4 cat eyes with 2 coats and 1 coat of the no wipe top coat. And then I'm just going to go ahead and I'm just going to pick them up like this and then turn it so you guys can see the cat eye. That one I didn't do that great on. I didn't move my stuff as much, but it's still pretty. It's absolutely gorgeous. This one, I don't know. I'm really liking this one. Look at that. That is so cool. I love that. That is so cool. And then the Hocus Plum. So far, this is my favorite, and I think Ruby Thorns is my favorite. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. And then we have Ruby Thorns. Look at that. That is gorgeous. This one's gorgeous too. I might redo this one and see. This is just me screwing up. Okay, so I went ahead and I redid the Haunted Velvet and it turned out a lot better than my other one. I'm much happier with this one. So let's go ahead and get into the swatching of the Creme Gels. Okay, so the first cream we're going to start out with is Crimson Cloak. This is a beautiful, beautiful red. And yes, these do have the rounded brush, and I love the rounded brush. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. I can't even stand it. Look at that red. That is gorgeous. So pretty. Very, very pigmented. Get away with 1 coat. We're going to do 2, but you can totally get away with 1 coat. This next one is going to be Pumpkin Ritual. This is a gorgeous, kind of like a camel orange. Or a camely orangey brown. I had a purse that was like this color. This is gorgeous. Look at that. That is so pretty. Perfect for fall. Okay, this one is Enchanted Moss. This is that gorgeous green. Oh, so pretty. This is so pretty. I have something on my swatch stick. You know, never fails. Never fails with these little pieces of plastic on these. Absolutely gorgeous. And then we have a Moonlit Mauve. I know this is going to be one of my favorites. Oh, look at how pretty that is. That is so pretty. Wow. That is gorgeous. That is so pretty. Okay, so here are the 4 creams, 2 coats and 1 coat of the no wipe top coat. So here are all 8 colors together, and can I just say that they are absolutely gorgeous. This is such a beautiful collection. I mean, oh my gosh. I mean, just these 4 colors alone. Look at this color palette. This is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, like literally. And the cat eyes, oh my god, so beautiful. Anyways, you guys, this is the end of this video. I am going to do a design with these colors, so go ahead and stay tuned for that. Thank you, Madam Glam, for sending me these products. I really do appreciate it. As usual, I will leave Madam Glam's information in the description box along with my discount code. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Leave me comments. Let me know what you guys think about this collection. Let me know what color is your favorite color. Oh my gosh, I am in love with all of them. I cannot pick a favorite. I don't even know. For some reason, this collection is just really hitting me this time. This time. But yeah, so leave me comments. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.